Have you ever dreamed of being able to open your garage door on your motorcycle just as you would with your car? OPM Sport is proud to present the first universal garage door opener for motorcycles. From now on, getting off your bike will be a thing of the past. Coming and going has never been easier. Imagine the satisfaction of getting home dry quickly on a rainy day. This product has been designed by riders for riders. Its compact, minimalist styling won't ruin the look of your bike. With its self-locking strap, it fits all handlebars up to 1.5 in diameter. Don't have space on your handlebars? Don't worry, we've thought of you with our stick-on option, which lets you place the bracket wherever you want. The remote control works with most brands of garage door motor, because the receiver connects directly to your opening motor. The receiver and remote control are already connected to the same single frequency, so all you have to do is plug in the receiver and you are ready to go. Are you a fan of riding in the rain or an unexpected storm? Don't worry, the button is shockproof and weatherproof to IP66 standards. You have a stop on the road and are afraid of having it stolen. OPM Sport has thought of everything. The button detaches from its holder in no time at all, so you can take it with you. With OPM Sport, whether you have a motorcycle, bike, scooter, or lawn tractor, simplicity is always at hand.
Hi, it's Maxime, co-founder of OPM Sport.
Hi, it's Albert, co-founder of OPM Sport. After 2 years of development, we are almost at the finish line.
So, if you're interested in the project, don't hesitate. Support us by buying our motorcycle garage door opener or by contribution in any way you want.
Thank you and have a nice ride.